Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Already back again. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how I created this Halocrown. Well, I've been seeing a lot of people doing this, wearing this Halocrown for like birthday shoots, maternity shoots. So I decided to create my own. So guys, this is how I created this Halocrown. So all you need is your hot glue gun, some materials. I had this materials scattered around my house. If you know me, you know I hoard things a lot. I got these wooden sticks a while back and I didn't use them. Then I got the floral pedals from AliExpress, and I bought the band from a market. I can't really remember, but I know I got these things at different times. I just see things and I buy them. Unknowingly to me, I would be doing this. So first off, I cut the sticks to the sizes I want and just place it around the headband to make sure I get all the places I want it to be. Then I'll be going into my hot glue gun to stick it all together. After sticking it down at different positions, I'm going to be going into the beads. I have this pearls, white and gold. Like I said, I buy things at random, so I bought that a while back also. So I just kept it around the crown to give it a very shimmery look. So now I'm going to be going into these gems I have. Sometimes I buy accessories so I can take out some things I need from them. Well, I'm sure you noticed that this is a hair clip they use for braids, and I just took it. I'm like, it will be useful in this DIY. So I just cut it into half and just wrapped it around each stick. After wrapping it round, I go into the rose gold petals and then I stick it onto the band, still using the hot glue gun. When using the hot glue gun, you have to be really careful because I burnt myself a couple of times. That thing is very hot, so just be really careful when you're using it. I didn't plan for any of the things I'm attaching. I'm just attaching at random to see something, to kind of create something beautiful. You can see I also attached some beads on the sticks too, so it gives it this cute look. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of hot glue gun on the petals already attached and just pour the beads into it. So guys, this is the final look of the Halocrown, and I had so much fun creating this. So next you will see the look I created to attach it with. So guys, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.